In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Keep Notes. We'll cover two options: exporting a single note to Google Docs and exporting your entire library with Google Takeout, so you can choose the method that fits your needs. If you only need to move a few notes, export an individual note to Google Docs. Open Google Keep and select the note you want to export. Click the three dots menu in the corner, choose Send, and then select Copy to Google Docs. Keep will create a new document with everything from that note and provide a link to open it in Google Docs. Once you're in Docs, it's easy to polish the content, adjust formatting, and add any final touches. When you're ready to save or share, go to File and choose Download to export as a PDF or a Microsoft Word document. This route is quick and tidy, but it does work one note at a time, so it's ideal when you only have a small number of notes to move. If you want a complete backup or need to move everything at once, use Google Takeout. Go to the Google Takeout site. To avoid exporting other data, click Deselect All, scroll down, find Keep, and check it. Then click Next Step and choose Create Export. Google will prepare a zip file that contains your notes, and when it's ready, download the zip. The time it takes depends on how many notes and attachments you have. Inside the zip, you'll find your note text and lists, along with any images, audio, and drawings. Labels and colors are preserved as part of the export. Most files are saved in HTML format, which opens directly in any web browser, so you can read your notes immediately or copy the content into another app. Attachments are included as separate files, making it straightforward to reuse your media elsewhere. A few important tips as you decide. Google Keep doesn't have a direct export to PDF button, so sending a note to Google Docs first is the simplest way to create a polished PDF. You may also need Google Docs to convert content into formats like Word. And if you're on a work or school account, exporting, especially with Takeout, might be restricted by your organization, so you may need to switch to a personal account or check with your admin. That's it. Use Google Docs for single notes and Google Takeout for full backups, and you'll have your Keep content ready to save, share, or move wherever you need it.